Assalamualaikum students, a very warm welcome to all of you in today's class, and today we are going to learn that how can we calculate the interquartile range or the quartile deviation with the help of the OGIVE, Cumulative Frequency Polygon or Curve.
Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more videos update related to statistics and probability.
So this is the frequency distribution, and with the help of that I have already drawn the graph that how the OGIVE can be drawn. So by the help of that particular graph I am going to calculate the interquartile range or the quartile deviation. As we all know that the first quartile is on the 25th percent of the data, because the quartile is the value which divides the data into 4 equal parts. So the first is on the 25%, the second quartile on the 50%, which is equal to median, and the third quartile on the 75%. The second quartile, which is equals to median, on the 50%, and the third quartile on the 75th percent. So let's calculate that on first quartile on 25th percent of the data set. Then the second quartile on the 50% of the data. And the third quartile on the 75%. So now let's see that what values we have gotten by the help of that graph. So Q3 we will take 122.5. Now we will take the difference of that and divide that by 2. Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. So Q3 is 122.5 minus Q1 is 110.5 divided by 2. So we will get the quartile deviation by the help of the formula. This is how the quartile deviation can be calculated with the help of cumulative frequency polygon or the cumulative frequency curve. So hopefully this is helpful for you to learn how can we calculate the quartile deviations. So if you have learned something new from that particular topic, so I request you to please like that video, share that video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the notification of new videos related to statistics and probability. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care.